Here is where to find the VOA portal in Dalaran, so the next time when you want to teleport to a raid to VOA, you don't have to fly your way there. And I will show you both portals for the Alliance and the Horde in this tutorial. So for the Alliance, you will have to head in the Silver Enclave, and you just have to get forward, and right here at this machine you'll find the portal, but at this moment Wintergrasp is controlled by the Horde, and we can know that because the portal is not here. And when the other faction is controlling the Wintergrasp, you know, the battleground, the Wintergrasp right here, so when the battle is happening, the winner will get also the VOA Raid. So in this case we can't enter the portal, but if Alliance will get the Wintergrasp and will control the zone, you'll find the portal right here. So that being said, let's get now to the Horde, and I'll show you where to find the VOA portal right there. Alright, log in into my Horde character. So for the Hordes, you will have to get right here at the Sun River Sanctuary. So let's get right here, and now we'll have to get forward, climb these stairs, and now turn the left, climb the stairs as well, and right here you will find the portal to VOA. Turn left now, so we just climb those stairs, and you'll find right here the portal to Wintergrasp. If you'll hold your mouse over this portal, in the bottom right it will tell you that this portal is to Wintergrasp, so let's just right click it. Alright, and we teleported right now to Wintergrasp. If we press M to open the map, we can see the zone is controlled by the Horde, and now we can enter the VOA Raid. And by any chance, if you want to get back to Dalaran from VOA, okay, you'll find a portal to Dalaran right here, the portal to Violet Citadel. This portal can be found in the exact same spot for Alliance and the Horde as well, and now we are located in Violet Citadel. So that's how to teleport from Dalaran to VOA, and where to locate the VOA portal, the Wintergrasp portal in Dalaran. I hope this helped you out, and thanks a lot for watching.